friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen flautas in the air fryer. So let's open up the package of frozen flautas. No need to defrost, we're cooking them straight from frozen. And now let's put them in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious flautas. They're perfectly cooked, so nicely brown. They look amazing. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Let me just cut one so you can see that it's cooked inside. So crispy outside and perfectly cooked filling. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Delicious. They taste so good. Crunchy on the outside with a hot, gooey filling inside. You will love cooking frozen flautas in the air fryer. They're amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!